Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious milk-made Kiri Toffee. First, gather your ingredients: 200 grams of Kiri cheese, 400 grams of condensed milk, and 50 grams of unsalted butter. You'll also need a non-stick pan and a dish for setting. Having everything ready at room temperature ensures a smooth cooking process, making your toffee perfect from the start. Let's get cooking. Now let's start cooking. Begin by melting 50 grams of butter in your non-stick pan over a low flame. Once melted, add the 200 grams of Kiri cheese. Stir constantly until the cheese is fully incorporated and the mixture is smooth. Next, pour in the 400 grams of condensed milk. Continue stirring without stopping for about 15 minutes, ensuring it doesn't stick to the bottom. The key to perfect toffee is consistency. Keep stirring the mixture over low heat. You'll notice it thickening and starting to pull away from the sides of the pan. To check if it's ready, drop a small amount into a glass of cold water. It should form a soft, pliable ball. This indicates it has reached the soft ball stage, which is ideal for our Kiri toffee. Once your toffee mixture reaches the perfect consistency, quickly pour it into a buttered, heat-resistant dish. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly. Now, the hardest part: patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature for several hours until it's firm. Once set, cut it into squares or your preferred shapes. Enjoy your homemade creamy Kiri toffee.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.